Hello, my name is Ronald Talley, and this is my first attempt of using Blackboard, and I've designed a course called High Performance Training for Sports, which would probably fall in the line of exercise science, just more of an advanced level course. What I decided to do was I go to my home page. I'm going to begin here. Here I have a picture of myself in the beginning, and then I have a welcome message to the students. Let them know who I am, my name. Of course, you got the overview of the course and the grading scale of the course. Then over here I have I have my unit lessons. What I did decide to do was break it down into 3 different units with several chapters in each unit. Here you have I have the book first listed, ISBN number and the author, as well as the price and when it was publication date. I also have here course objectives. I won't read them out to you for the lack of time. And then you have my unit, lesson unit folder. I click on it. See, like I said, I have 3 different folders. My content is broken into 3 different units. Chapter 1, Building Athletic Foundation. It is comprised of chapters 1 through 7. I'll click on chapter 1 to kind of give you a brief rundown of what I did. First assignment was an application paper summarizing one of the topics within that chapter 1. I won't go into, for the lack of time, I won't go get too specific. That's one of my assignments. Also have discussion, which is a form of asynchronous communication, where they talk about a case study within the book, which is also a form of assessment, where and they put it in their own words, so they kind of give me feedback. Also, part of the formative assessment, I have a quiz listed here, and then I also have a PowerPoint presentation listed that they click on, and it'll pop up through the screen. Let me go real quick. I don't know how it does that, but click here and it comes up. Okay. So that's my PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Let me get out of that. Go back to, let's go to lesson unit. Go back to unit and show you some other things that I did, that I incorporated as well. I'll show you one more. I incorporated some video, in chapter 7, I asked the student to do a research paper 1 on injury prevention, and then 2, the second assignment was using Smash-Ups or any other video source, create a video demonstrating and explaining various core exercises. I thought that would be a nice interactive type of evaluation, or type of getting them engaged, form of engagement. Let's go to time. Let's write it down. Get to our lessons again. Pushing time. Then I'll skip to chapter 3, so I'm getting to the end. My learning objectives, of course, my learning activities, chapter 24, kind of the end of the whole program. So basically, I asked them the formative or the summative assessment is a fitness program paper, which they were working on pretty much since chapter 4, when they created from beginning to end strength and conditioning program for either an individual or a team. And then the wrap-up was final thoughts I I think covered most of everything. I probably could have added a little bit more audio to my online course to, I guess, to address all learning purposes. Once again, my name is Long Child, and I thank you for viewing my online course, High Performance Training. Thank you.